Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, Pomeranian puppies. Of course, our favorite socializer, Big G, is in the house socializing these beautiful, beautiful Pomeranians. You can see how outgoing and lively personalities they are. You can also see what great family pets these guys are. They love kids, they love the whole family. They're all fighting for his attention because they are loyal dogs. And their one gave to choose them as their number one companion. Intelligent, loyal to their families, very smart, can learn many new tricks. These guys were born right here in Georgia. They've been microchipped already. They've been vet checked by our internal and external vets, and they're ready to go home and make your family number one in their hearts. Come on in, hold on them, love on them. We have a couple of litters in the house. You can't go wrong. Best Pomeranians in the world are right here at Sugar Sweet Georgia Puppies. Come on in. Thank you. One of my favorite dogs, Bichon Frise puppies. Of course, these guys are hyperallergenic, non-shedding. They were born right here in Georgia. Getting one of these Bichon Frise into your homes is one of the most wonderful moments you will ever experience. Bichon Frises are highly intelligent, bold, and energetic, and as you can see, extremely playful. They're just playful in nature, curious, willing to stay with people, and love to be held. These guys are great with kids, alert, enthusiastic, quick learners, affectionate, and extremely playful and gorgeous. They are ready to go home right now. They're up to date in all their shots. They've been vet checked by our internal and external vet, and they're ready to go home right now and love on your whole family. For the very best Bichon Frises, look like they just fell right out of heaven. Come on in, hold one of these. You will fall in love. Thank you. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. One of the world's best behaved and most in demand hybrid puppy there is, Cavachon puppies. These guys are little to no shedding. They were born right here in Georgia. They've been microchipped already. They've been vet checked by our internal and external vets, and they're ready to go home right now. This is a small, mild-mannered breed, very playful, extremely charming dog, intelligent. They want to please you. All this dog wants to do is make you happy and make you proud. When you say good boy, good girl to this dog, they just go bananas, because that is all they were seeking, is to please you and make your day. If you're tired of your kids and your spouse not making your day or not making your day enough, this is the dog for you, because they will make your day guaranteed. Come on in. Born in Georgia, microchipped already, vet checked by our internal and external vets, ready to go home and make your day. Thank you. Now, if you're looking for a dog that resembles a little teddy bear, this is one of my favorite teddy bear dogs. Cavatzu puppies, the best of the Cavalier, King Charles Spaniel, and the Shihtzu. We match up these dogs real carefully to make sure they have the right character and the right temperament, and these puppies come out perfect. Pleasant, easy to care companions. These guys were born right here in Georgia. These beautiful teddy bear dogs have been microchipped already, vet checked by our internal and external vet. They are very playful, as you can see, extremely energetic, loving, affectionate little bears. Great with kids, love to cuddle. This is like a teddy bear stuffed animal that comes to life and is the perfect lover. Look how happy they are. They want to make you happy. They want to make you as happy as they are. Come on in, hold one of these guys, fall in love. You deserve it. Oh, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We have Schnauzers back in the building. Now, these guys have not had their Schnauzer cuts yet. They don't have their beautiful mustaches, but they are absolutely gorgeous, due to get the haircuts next week. They have just got out of the nursery, and they are gorgeous. Look at the colors on that, guys. Absolutely unbelievable. One of the smartest hyperallergenic non-shedding dogs there are. These toy Schnauzers are absolutely gorgeous, great family pets. These guys respond very well to training. It's actually one of the best little guard dogs there is, if not the very best guard dog when it comes to a small dog. These guys will give up their life, take a bullet for you. Respond well to training, very gentle with children, sociable, curious, ready to go home right now and make you happy. Like we said, vet checked by our internal, external vets, ready to go, ready to make you happy. Come on in if you're a Schnauzer fan, or if you just want a very intelligent, loving, kind dog, look no further. These guys are athletic and ready to go. Come on in, fall in love. Thank you. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, Poodle puppies with a Shihtzu friend. These guys have just got out of the nursery, so they're being socialized. Of course, Poodle puppies, one of the smartest, I'm going to say the smartest dog in the world. These guys can learn up to 300 commands, absolutely, almost like a language. Just beautiful, great, hyperallergenic, non-shedding dogs. We have one that's red and one that's a black-brown. Absolutely gorgeous and friendly, very, very smart, great family dogs, very athletic. These will be more on the smaller side, probably, end up growing up to be about 8 to 10 pounds. Gorgeous, gorgeous toy poodle dogs. Great with families, born right here in Georgia, microchipped already, vet checked by our internal and external vet, and ready to go home right now and make you happy. Come on in, hold one of these fluffy, curly, gorgeous poodles. You will have the best poodle on the block. Everybody's going to come up asking, where did you get that poodle? Keep it a secret. Thank you. Come on in. One of the world's favorite hybrid dogs, Maltipoo puppies. Fantastic dogs known for their adorable appearance, friendly disposition, and of course that hyperallergenic coat. These guys were born right here in Georgia. They've been vet checked already. They're up to date in all their shots, and they're ready to go home right now and make you happy. The Maltipoo temperament is extremely hard to beat. These guys are gentle, affectionate, fun-loving, happy. These guys are completely satisfied sitting on your lap, gazing into your eyes, loving on you as much as they are fetching a ball, bringing it back to you, playing with other dogs, romping on the floor. Just fantastic dogs. They're friendly dogs, outgoing dogs, gentle with kids, adults, seniors, other dogs, even cats. These guys make great companions, great for apartments, and they are ready to go home right now. Look at that beautiful, beautiful beige color. These guys are gorgeous, just gorgeous dogs. Come on in, fall in love. These Georgia-born Maltipoos are the best you will see. Thank you. One of my favorite dogs, and we haven't had them in here in a while, long-haired mini Dachshunds. These guys were born right here in Georgia. They've been microchipped already, vet checked by our internal and external vet, extremely healthy and ready to go home with you right now and make you extremely happy. This is a great, great family pet. Of course, long-haired Dachshunds are a relatively low-maintenance breed. They don't need to be taken to a groomer. They only need to be brushed out, maybe once a week or twice a week, and that will keep them from getting tangled up. They respond well to training. They're intelligent. They're very friendly. They're great dogs in apartments. They do good with kids. There's wonderful, funny dogs to watch. They will be your bestie friend for the next 12, 13, 14 years. Always wagging their tail. Always happy to see you. If you go away for 2 minutes and come back, these dogs are going to act like they haven't seen you in 20 years with their happiness and overjoyed to see you again. Come on in. These guys are ready to go home right now and love on you. Thank you. If you're looking for a hyperallergenic dog that's friendly, intelligent, and easy to train, look no further. Yorkipoo puppies. These guys are absolutely gorgeous. And would you look on the color of this litter? Look at these brothers and sisters. You got one that looks like a cow. You got another one that's chocolate. Another one that's got sort of like Yorkie colors. And then you got an all black one. These guys are gorgeous. Something for everybody. Yorkipoos make great companions. You mix in that poodle and terrier appearance. So these guys need a daily brushing. You need to brush them out or they'll get tangled up, but they love getting brushed and love the attention. They can be pretty vocal at times. They'll like to talk to you and let you know how they're feeling, and you will tell by the pitch what they are trying to say. You will learn their language very fast. These guys are gorgeous. Love to travel. One right here in Georgia. Microchipped already. Vet checked by internal and external vet. Healthy and ready to go home and love on you like nothing else. This is one of our favorite hybrid dogs, one of the most popular ones. They're just getting out of the nursery. They were an absolute joy to the nursery workers. They were sad. I saw tears in the eyes as they were leaving the nursery. So come on in, fall in love. These guys are plump and ready to love on you. Thank you. One of my favorite dogs, Shihtzu puppies, and look at the colors on these guys. Just about every color, from blue to black and white to brown. We have it all. We have a couple litters of Shihtzus in the house, and they are absolutely beautiful. Of course, Shihtzus are hyperallergenic, non-shedding, considered to be a low-maintenance dog. What really makes them attractive is their loyalty and eagerness to please their loved ones. These guys live to make you happy. Shihtzus are incredibly affectionate and love to love. They get an A+ in loving. They thrive on human attentions. They love for you to give them attention back, and they will shower you back with way more attention. Shihtzus love to cuddle, love to be with you, great with kids, tough little dogs that want to be your friend forever. People that get Shihtzus always come back and get other Shihtzus because they have fallen in love with this breed. This becomes their favorite kid, just the way it is. You know, there's humans, but then these guys are incredible because no one loves you like a Shih Tzu. Absolutely no one. Thank you. Here we go through our poll. This is truly the most popular dog in America, if not the world. Yorkshire Terriers, Yorkies, we always have a few litters in the house. We try to, but they fly out of here because they are so popular. People love Yorkies. These guys right here are teacup Yorkies. These guys are going to be tiny, but they're not tiny when it comes to love, energy, and attitude. I tell you, these guys have attitude. Yorkies love to cuddle, a lover of all things comfortable. The Yorkshire Terrier enjoys cuddling and loved ones, snuggling with everything. They like soft things, they like fluffy things, and you will love the feeling of that silky skin, their silky fur on your skin. And it's absolutely adorable. These guys are great. Hyperallergenic, non-shedding, born right here in Georgia, been vet checked already, microchipped, ready to go home right now. We have teacup Yorkies, we got toy Yorkies, we got all kinds of Yorkies in the house, and they are ready to love on you. The best Yorkshire Terriers, Yorkie puppies are right here at Sugar Sweet Georgia Puppies. Everybody knows that. People come from all over the world to get these puppies. Come on in, fall in love. They're beautiful. Thank you. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. One of the most popular dogs in America, voted the most popular dog in America, French Bulldogs. You want to talk brave personalities? There is nothing braver than a Frenchie. Nothing will make you laugh harder than a Frenchie as well. And believe it or not, these fierce little guys love to cuddle. They're sweet and very, very gentle with kids. You know, I got 2 Frenchies, and I'll speak from experience. These guys are wonderful with my kids, and they are fun dogs. They also make great apartment dogs. They're very alert, easy to train, but they don't need a lot of exercise because they get tired because of the way they're built. But when they go all out, and they are so much fun and just so happy. Just good, fantastic, happy dogs. Very, very, very loyal. Just wonderful, wonderful dogs. They're friendly temperaments, and they're very easy to take care of. Ideal companions, happy-go-lucky. Of course, these dogs are the Lamborghinis of dogs. All the superstars have them, and we have the very best AKC Frenchies on the planet. The prettiest, the brightest, the best socialized little puppies there are right here. Come on in. If you want the best Frenchie in the neighborhood, we got them. Come get them. Thank you. If you are looking for a fiercely loyal companion, look no further. Maltitzu puppies. So this takes the best of the Maltese, which are the friendliest and the best little service dogs there is, and the Shihtzu, which is the most loyal dog on the planet that loves to bond with people. Puts them together, and you get the best of both breeds in the Maltitzu. Just wonderful, beautifully bred dogs. Hyperallergenic, non-shedding. These guys were born right here in Georgia. They've been microchipped already. They're checked by internal so vet and ready to go home. Happy, lively, gentle, soft, full of character and affectionate. You will get, these guys are just born to love you. They are made to love you, to be loyal to you, to be fiercely loyal to you, and love on you and make you feel special. If you need a hug, can nobody give you a better hug than these Maltitzu puppies. Come on in, you'll fall in love with them. They've been vet checked already, ready to go home, up to date in all their shots, ready to make you happy. Certified, ready to make you ecstatic. Come on in, thank you. One of my wife's favorite hyperallergenic, non-shedding dogs, Morkie puppies, and these guys are teacups, and they are absolutely beautiful, just gorgeous. You want to talk, just so friendly, lively, cheerful. This is it. These guys are the definition of friendly, lively, and cheerful. They're just such happy dogs. They want to make you happy. They take the best of the Maltese, the best of the Yorkie. You put those together, and you get the Morkie puppy, which is American-made, born right here in Georgia, microchipped already, been vet checked by internal vets, and ready to go on home. If you want an extremely loving dog, a very loving dog, this is it. This is all these guys know how to do. This is what they're made for. They are made to love on you. It's a great toy terrier that's great with children, great with everybody. Just great lap dog, love to play around with you, don't require much attention. I mean, of course, they're required to be groomed because they're hyperallergenic, non-shedding, in the sense of you don't have to take them for a long walk. Great apartment dogs, little exercise. They want to spend most of their time with you, loving on you. Come on in, we've got the best Georgia-born Morkie puppies in the planet, and they're here ready to make you happy. So here is one puppy that you can easily identify by sight. That's right, Pomeranian puppies. And these guys are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, if you look at it, they look like stuffed animals, like little lions. And that is kind of like what their personalities are like. These guys are fierce. They're like little lions. They're brave. They may be little, but no one told them they were little. They'll take on just about anything. Talk about bravery. They are very, very extremely fiercely loyal to their owners. They're just wonderful, great family pets. Outgoing, lively personalities. These guys were born right here in Georgia. Of course, we have a couple litters of palms, so we have fox palms, we have bear palms, but one thing for sure, all our palms are beautiful, intelligent, loyal to their families, very smart, can learn many new tricks, and ready to go home with you right now and make your decade. That's right, decade. That's how good these guys are. They will make your decade. They will keep you happy for many years to come. Thank you. If you're looking for a dog that's smart, energetic, and a downright darling, look no further. here we have mini Schnauzer puppies. Of course, these dogs originated in Germany, the place where dogs live the best. There's no doubt. If you ever traveled to Germany, if I was a dog, I'd want to live in Germany. Well, no, I don't live in America, but Germany would be second if I was a dog. But dogs live really, really well there. Of course, many Schnauzers are hyperallergenic, non-shedding. Guys were born right here in Georgia. They've been microchipped already. They've been vet checked by our internal and external vet, and they're ready to go home right now. These little guys actually make great guard dogs. But of course, because of their size, they're great lap dogs, they're great therapy dogs, they're great show dogs. They're just great dogs. They respond very well to training, gentle with children, very sociable, extremely curious, very smart. One of the smartest dogs in the world. In fact, in my book, they're right behind the Poodle as the second smartest dog out there. Look at the colors of these beautiful Schnauzers. They've had their Schnauzer cut already, so they got their mustache sticking out like a walrus. Absolutely fantastic. Ready to go home and become part of your family and become your most reliable family member. More reliable than anyone else in your family, your wife, your kids. These guys will always be there for you. So come on in. You deserve that kind of friend, that kind of love. Thank you. Would you look at one of my favorite dogs, Shihtzu puppies? My youngest son has one, and I can say that dog was made for him. Shihtzus are always compact, solid, and carry their weight with substance really well. Just wonderful dogs. Hyperallergenic, non-shedding. We're looking at a happy, lively, very gentle breed that loves to play. Just wonderful, warm, sweet, wide-eyed, friendly, and trusting dogs. Very loyal, fiercely loyal, just wonderful dogs, full of character, affectionate. These Shih Tzus have been microchipped already. They've been vet checked by our internal and external vets. They were healthy and ready to go home and make you happy and be your best friend forever. Great dog with kids, like I was saying. Just wonderful dogs. Come on in, you will love these guys. They get an A for affectionate, and they want to be affectionate all over you and love on you and make you feel like the most special, loved person on the planet. Come on in. Thank you.